Hola, and welcome to Fijisong lyrics translation. And big bulabanak, especially to those of you, our friends who enjoy our Fijian music, though you don't understand, but you love our music, and song composition certainly is a fine way, it's a marvelous way to preserve and keep alive our indigenous language, Fijian language, that is. And this group that I have for you today is these young men. They are Fijian song composers, and they are called Senimbua Kola, and the song title is Dina. Senimbua Kola. Kola is gold, Senimbua is the French penny, so golden French penny is the name of this band. And the song is Dina, True Love Shattered. So what are they singing about? Mavonia Longu, my spirit is bruised, Etarano Tongu, heart is shattered. My Longu Kokauta, stole my heart, played Tukana, dear lover boy. And Tukana in Fijian is a term of endearment for boys, for men, young men. And the opposite for young maidens, young women, it's Mbuna, Laimbuna. So obviously this is being sung from the point of view of the maiden for her lover. So you stole my heart, dear lover boy. Sevu ni sotan daulomani, our love first bloomed Singatoka Mosotavi when we met in Singatoka, a town in Vitileu, the largest island in the Fiji Island group. Sabakana Mode Tandra, it was like a dream. Niwandangava, when I reminisce, when I look back now. And then to the chorus, Itale Tale, Nandondomo, e mai utongo. So as you see, Fijian is very succinct there. And know that this love of mine is straight from the heart. So sometimes in translating the meaning across, you have to stretch the words out a little bit to capture the essence of the heart of the matter, the heart of the real meaning, the true meaning. So Diva mo mainongu, how I wish that you'll be mine forever. Kosa voroka nanongu Dina, you shattered my love so true. Elongu, kosa kauta, you stole my heart. Elomani Nongu Vale, my place of dwelling, no siko mai tangane, you used to come and visit me. Nondaruwe kilai metaraidake, our bonding was slowly built up. Auluhudi nandondomo, how I drowned in your love, and anomu itovo and sweet chow. Yeah, so there, how I drowned in your love and sweet chow. Divoli me akua, oh, how I wish, my kavoro, that our love was not shattered. Then it's the chorus again, and Dondomo, know that this love of mine and my utongu is straight from the heart. Divomo, my nongu, how I wish that you'd be mine forever. And then the song title again, Kusavroka, Dina, you shattered my love so true. The logo Sakota, you stole my heart. And then this next line, with the passage of time, Dina Meusarava, you revealed your true colors. Kaini Walasa, kiss me for having an affair, Voli Etumba outside. Outside in Komandolomani, no Mitoho Musimosi, my love, I've come to accept your hurtful behavior. Luvendaru Nangarava, I will look after this child of ours, Nikosava Kitaka, since you will not accept it as our own. Then maybe this is the final chorus. Domo, Ewayutongu, know that this love of mine is straight from the heart. Diva mo mainongu, how I wish that you'd be mine forever. Mosa Voroka, Nanongu Dina, you shattered my love so true. Oh, one more left. Elongo Kosakauta, you stole my heart. So there you have it. Song by Senimua Kola, Boroka, Nongundina. So if you like this, please like and subscribe so that I can continue putting out more for you. And if there's any song in particular that you enjoy listening to, playing over the years, but you didn't know or you wish you knew the meaning to the song, please leave a comment or comment in the comment section, and I will try and do something about that. So from me to you, till the next time.